Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you a must-have solution for every jewelry DIY enthusiast and anyone who's ever struggled with pierced earrings. This is hands down the best convert clip-on earring set you can find. The Unittype 20 Pcs Clip-on Earring Converters. A product that bridges the gap between style and comfort for non-pierced ears. Let's get right into it. So what exactly are these? The Unittype earring converters are a pack of 20 components. 10 pairs of metal clip-on converters in 10 unique styles, accompanied by 10 pairs of soft silicone earring pads. If you've ever looked at your pierced earrings and wished you could wear them without actually piercing your ears, these converters are your new best friend. Just attach your earring posts into these converters, clip them on your earlobe, and you're ready to walk out in style. It's genuinely that simple. But what makes this product stand out is not just the functionality, it's the thoughtful design. Each piece is crafted from high-quality metal, built to last and resist deformation. They're smooth to the touch, so nothing snags or scratches your skin. And the real comfort factor? Those included silicone pads. They make sure your ears don't feel pinched or sore even after long hours of wear. The converters themselves come in multiple styles. Whether you want a traditional clip, a screwback, or something a little more discreet, you have a variety to choose from. This isn't a one-style-fits-all situation. You can truly match them with different earring designs, be it studs, hooks, or dangle earrings. That makes them perfect for DIY jewelry makers who want to experiment or offer options to customers who don't have pierced ears. And the best part? You don't need any tools. No pliers, no glue, nothing. You just clip and go. It's intuitive and beginner-friendly. Even if you're not crafty, these converters make it ridiculously easy to turn any pierced earring into a clip-on in seconds. In terms of size and portability, these are small, lightweight, and easy to store. The entire package is compact enough to fit in a small jewelry box or crafting pouch. Whether you're at home creating pieces for yourself or selling your designs at a market, these converters are incredibly handy. One more thing worth noting. This product is not just about utility, it's also about gifting potential. If you know someone who loves earrings but doesn't have pierced ears, this makes for a thoughtful, unique, and genuinely useful gift. It shows that you're thinking practically, but with their style in mind. Now a heads up for international buyers. This particular item unfortunately does not ship to all countries, including India. So if you're planning to grab one, you might need to consider alternative shipping options or similar listings. Overall, the Unittype clip-on earring converters deliver a reliable, easy-to-use, and comfortable solution for anyone looking to enjoy earrings without the commitment of a piercing. Whether you're a jewelry crafter, a fashion lover, or just someone who wants options, this is one product that delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what other creative accessories you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.